Motorola's latest smartphone, called Motorola Edge 70 Max, is now available for purchase in India with a massive battery capacity. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 70 Max features a tall 6.8-inch 2K resolution Extreme AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 7,000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and both the front and rear panel of the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 829 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. In the camera department, the Motorola Edge 70 Max sports a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYTJ710 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view, along with a 2-in-1 light sensor. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7,100 mAh battery with 90 watts wired turbo power charging support and 25 watts wireless turbo power charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 based on Hello UI Skin on Top. For safety, the phone is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 77 by 8.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 221 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Motorola Edge 70 Max has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 54,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 59,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Pantone Aqua Gray, Pantone Dark Shadow, and Pantone Ice Melt color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 70 Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.